This is the BB-8. He is an astromech droid first revealed in the trailer of the new Star Wars movie, Episode 7, The Force Awakens. But then he has been transformed into this cute little remote control robotic toy. So thanks to Sphero Philippines, I got my hands on one. I heard it was pretty hard to find this, well at the moment. But nevertheless, I'll do an unboxing for you guys. Yay! So let's start by cutting some tape. All done. That was fast. The box is a bit tight, but it won't stop me from opening this cool new gadget. Voila! It looks very secured. And it comes with this little box. But let's open it later. For now, let's get the BB-8 out. He looks really safe inside here. So this is his main body. It has some weight to it. And his head is magnetic. This is his dock. This is where you will charge him when he runs out of battery. This set also comes with a cable. This is a USB to mini USB wire. Same thing you use for Android devices. Ooh! A legal guide. It has a bunch of stuff written, which you can check out later on. And here is the quick guide. I like the fact that they used pictures for the instructions, because then it makes you focus on the link at the end. This is where you can download the app. While downloading, you can start to charge him. It's so cute to watch him wiggle in his dock. Just in case a plug isn't available, you can use your battery pack. Okay, let's clear the area. Here we go. Oh my god! Here's a closer look. It's pretty easy and fun to make him run around. But sometimes he gets out of control. But it's fine. Just pick him up and set him down again. My favorite part though is when he dances on his own with just one click of a button. So, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. I had so much fun doing this. Please let me know what you think and leave your thoughts in the comments box below. And don't forget to subscribe! Thanks guys!